Today I'm making my mother's favorite molasses cookies. Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Shortening, flour, salt, baking soda, cinnamon, molasses, egg, vanilla extract, ginger, and clove. First, you're going to start off by measuring out 3/4 of a cup of solid shortening. Add to that 1 cup of sugar, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg. A 1/4 of a cup of molasses, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. Be sure to scrape down the bowl as needed. Two cups of flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. These spicy cookies are a great treat with a cup of tea or some coffee. They remind me of the holidays, but they're something that we ate year-round as well. I hope you will give them a try. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare. Please consider liking and subscribing.